This is the Bosch table saw. Then we got a generator here. Got the Nest Wi-Fi. This is a job site radio. 20% off. We got the best 2 deals at the Lobes. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So starting here, we got some clearance with some bigger gas tools or outdoor power equipment. Got the Husqvarna 150 BT commercial grade blower, 250 down from 349. It says tested, no issues. Then we got a generator here back here. This one's 500 down from 649. Customer said not enough power, so I guess he wanted something bigger, and I guess it works pretty good. Looks brand new. The wheel's a little bit dirty, but everything else looks brand new on that. And then we got this vacuum, guys. We don't see this vacuum in all the stores. That's why I wanted to show you. We got the battery compartment there on the back. Got some nice hose management. Nice casters, and it is $4.99 with the Eagle 9-gallon vacuum. And then we got this pole saw attachment. This one's on clearance from 103 down from 129. So, and then we got a deal on this one. They got a 40-volt, 21-inch self-propelled mower, and you get a 7.5 amp hour battery. So, you buy some of those tools, and you get a battery. $59.97 down from $99.98 for this inverter. If you're on this line, it's a nice way to do it. And you got this screw gun adapter or magazine adapter. This one's $17 off from $69. So not bad if you own the screw gun. $19 off from $23 for the box sled level. This is a magnetic from the Tough Build. Pretty nice brand, easy to see. $22.98 for the screwdriver kit. The 6-in-1, 11-in-1. So pretty nice. Got the stubby, and then you got the whole bunch of bits there. All right, you got this one on clearance, $169. This is the compressor, and you do get a nailer with it. It's pretty much the kit to get started. Impact driver and drill driver, $107. That's actually a pretty dang good deal on this. Does include battery and charger. This is a job site radio, $99 on clearance. Pretty interesting what they did with this. Pretty nice. And then they got the Nest Wi-Fi, $67 off from $269. Yes, this is the older version, but still it handles a lot of smart devices. Now the homes have a lot of smart devices. And $15 off from $49 for this battery. It's a 2 amp hour battery. And then, yeah, winter's already here, but hey, save it for next year if you could find this even cheaper than this. Down from $10.49 to $7.86 for this massive cooler. And talking about cooling, this is an AC. This is a mini split AC, great for the garage. $900 off from $17.98. It's a DIY, I believe. So you get a DIY kit on it. You got some utility cabinets. They're all on clearance. In every store, you get a better view here of what they look like. This is pretty nice. Little bit flimsy on the plasticky side, but they do make good decoration or hideaways for the garage to hide out your tools and stuff, and make it look organized. And they're pretty cheap at the clearance. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop it because I do see a lot of stores. Here's the bigger one, so pretty nice, like a locker type. $170 for the bigger one. Get a few of these and stick them up in the garage or the shop. All right, this is on sale. This is $49 each, impact driver or drill driver kits. And then you got a Cobalt 7 1/4 miter saw. So that is the impact driver and the drill driver. $29.98 for the 16-piece reciprocating saw blades. Pretty nice kit. Does come with the see-through plastic organizer. And then you got the neutral stone bit set, 4-piece, $18.98. If you guys got to drill into tile or, just sensitive material that's going to be breaking, these are great bits to have for a handyman or somebody that just does flooring. You got a 40-tooth blade. That's it right there. Tarantula, spider, carbide. $517, down from $7.98. It's in clearance. Laser level or stud sensor. Not a laser level, it's a stud sensor. 20% off for the Warner 6 feet aluminum ladder. And then you got $169 on this tower light. It's on clearance from $199. All right, they got this one on clearance, $239 from $399. So for the 4-piece combo kit. This is from the DeWalt reciprocating saw, impact driver, a light, and a drill. You can check it this out. This is the Bosch table saw with a wheeled, nice stand. It is wheeled. So this one's $424, down from $499 for the Bosch 10-inch table saw. So it does have some nice wheels on it. You can put this very easy on your truck. And then you got the member savings here, $10 off on clean tools, 30 feet laser levels or measures. You got the miter saw on clearance for $12. That's a handheld miter saw. The Lincoln Electric weld pack. And then you get some gloves for free with this items. So check it out. Those of you that like to do welding. You got the 250 piece Cobalt Mechanics tool set, $149, down from $219. It's already sold out here. Got the Craig hole driver, 90-degree hole driver on clearance. And then check this out. This one's pretty nice. It's a 3-in-1 inflator vacuum and blower, $49.98. That's actually pretty nice for this Craftsman. It's very unique. Does all that. So it's a 1-in-all. Just keep it on your truck or car. And keep your car clean, and inflator and all kinds of stuff in there. So pretty interesting what they're doing with that. And it's all 12 volts, and I believe it is battery powered. So $19.98 for any of these. These are nice offset screwdrivers with some rubber grips. Got some precision screwdrivers. So everything's included. Really nice kit. And then check this out. This one's a 5-piece plier set. My guess is this one's from the probably leftovers from last year, the holiday season. I'm pretty sure they're going to have a new one this year. This was on clearance as well. It's a twin stack compressor. Pretty nice. And then they still have the buy one, get one free for the Cobalt. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.